Are you experiencing rapid battery drain after updating to iOS 27? In this video, we will walk you through effective steps to troubleshoot and reclaim your iPhone's battery endurance. Give your device time to index. Connect your iPhone to a charger, link to a stable Wi-Fi network, and leave it overnight. It may take up to 48 hours for system databases and photo tags to finish rebuilding. Check your app power consumption within the battery menu. Scroll to the app list and tap Show Activity. Identify any apps using 20% or more of your battery, especially hidden background processes from social media or weather apps. Outdated apps can get stuck in computational loops, causing significant battery drain. To address this, return to your home screen and launch the App Store. Once in the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Wait for your account details to load so you can check for any available updates. Scroll down to the list of updates and tap the Update All button. This ensures your older apps are compatible with the new iOS 27 background architecture. Next, let's adjust system settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap General to manage how your system handles background resources. In the General menu, locate and tap Background App Refresh. This feature frequently pulls data in the background, which can consume battery power rapidly. Tap on Background App Refresh again at the top and select Off. This will disable the feature globally and stop unnecessary background activity. You should also check your privacy settings. Go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security to manage location services. Tap on Location Services at the top. Here, you can review which apps are requesting access to your location, as some apps may be using GPS excessively. For non-essential apps, select them and change access to while using the app. You can also toggle off precise location to further limit battery usage. Finally, monitor your results. Return to the battery menu 24 hours after applying these fixes to confirm that the battery drain has normalized. With these settings adjusted, your battery life should stabilize. You have now optimized your device for iOS 27. Thank you for watching.